population explosion and reasons for population explosion. नेक्स्ट सब टॉपिक क्या हो सकता है कि इधर देखिए पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन और बाद में रीजंस फॉर पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. Just before you are knowing this information, I would like to explain very clear what is the meaning or what is the definition of population. इसका पहले population का मतलब क्या है, population का definition क्या है, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. देखिए the definition for population is the total number of individuals of same species in a particular area and in a particular time is called population. पॉपुलेशन का मतलब हम हिंदी में क्या बोल सकता है कि जनाबा बोलता है. जनाबा का मतलब a group of people where exactly they are gathering. Actually general meaning is like this, but regarding to bio subject it wasn't be like that. Regarding to bio subject population means what? Population definition I made it very clear. I will look here carefully. The total number of individuals means here organisms. Sometimes in bio subject instead of organisms we are using individuals of same species. एक ही जीव जाति होना पड़ेगा. A group of human beings, a group of rabbits, a group of horses, a group of elephants, like that. Same species in a particular area. एक जगह का मतलब in 1 square kilometers or in 2 square kilometers, and in a particular time period. In a particular time period means in 1 year or in 2 years or in 10 years. That is called as the population definition. हिंदी में देखिए एक जगह पे एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के अंदर एक ही जीव जाति जीता तो उसको पूरा से पूरा मिलकर क्या बोल सकता है कि पॉपुलेशन बोलता है, जनाबा बोलता है. The scientific study of human population is called as demography. डेमोग्राफी का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि मानव जनाभा का बारे में शास्त्रीय अध्ययन करता तो उसको क्या बोल सकता है कि डेमोग्राफी बोल सकता है. राइट नाउ so here the definition for population is the total number of individuals of same species in a given particular area and in a given particular time period is called as population. I will give you the fine and best example. Now you are present in Bidar. Whatever I draw here one circle, this one is Bidar. This is a particular area and particular time period. I would like to take the particular time period is 2018 up to 2019, 1 year. And same species of organisms. I am taking the same species of organisms means humans or human beings. How many it was present there? Approximately 1 lakh. Right. The total number of individuals of same species, human beings, all together same species only. Total number is how much? 1 lakh. in a given particular area, the given particular area is Bidar, and in a given particular time period, in 1 year, in between 2018 and 2019, altogether we are calling that one, we are defining that one population only. That is the basic definition or meaning for population. Now come to the point, what is meant by population explosion, and right after that one I would like to explain what are the basic reasons for population explosion. ये पूरा होने के बाद population explosion का मतलब क्या है, बाद में population explosion होने के लिए उसका पीछे कारण क्या हो सकता है. Now have a look here. Population explosion. Population explosion. The meaning for population explosion is the rapid increases of population in a particular area in a short time period. Short time period. अभी मैंने आपको पॉपुलेशन का डेफिनेशन एक्सप्लेन करा, उधर टाइम पीरियड देख सकता है, एरिया भी देख सकता है पॉपुलेशन डेफिनेशन का बारे में, लेकिन इधर थोड़ा सा चेंज है. वो चेंज क्या आता है कि इधर देखिए टाइम पीरियड है, लेकिन मैं उसका सामने शॉर्ट ऐड करा. शॉर्ट ऐड करता तो क्या हो सकता है कि पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन होता है. हिंदी पे उसको क्या बोल सकता है कि जनाभा विस्फोटन बोल सकता है. जनाभा विस्फोटन का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि कम समय में एक जगह पे बहुत बड़ा संख्या में जनाभा उत्पादन होता है. कम समय पे एक जगह पे बहुत बड़ा संख्या पे जनाभा उत्पादन होता है. That means in a given particular area, in a short duration of time period, the population is going to multiply. 2 is going to become 4, 4 is going to become 8, 8 is going to become 16, 16 is going to become 32, 64, like that. It is going to multiply itself only. Such kind of a phenomenon we are going to call it population explosion. The rapid increases of population in a particular area in a short duration of time period is called as population explosion. If the population explosion is seriously going on, we are not able to take any necessary step to prevent population explosion. Means in the future days, the incoming generation is going to facing lots of problems. Especially, we are struggling regarding to the primary needs, housing, clothing, food material, etc. So, what are the basic reasons behind the population explosion? Population explosion का पीछे कारण क्या हो सकता है? Now, I would like to explain reasons for population explosion. एक जगह पे जनाभा कम समय में ज्यादा उत्पादन होता है, उसका पीछे कारण क्या हो सकता है? Have it here. I would like to make it very clear. Number one, child marriages. And early pregnancy. Number one. Number two, rapid increases of birth rate. or mortality rate. Number 3, rapid increases of rapid decline of death rate or mortality rate. And next, rapid decline of MMR. MMR means maternal mortality rate. Rapid decline of IMR. IMR means infant mortality rate. Last one, nobody is following family planning. Now have a look here. If you are going to put in a question mark, what are the reasons for population explosion? Population explosion का बारे में उसका पीछे कारण क्या है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन मार्क डाला हमको 6 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मिलता है आंसर का रूप में। पहली वाला क्या बोल सकता है कि चाइल्ड मैरिजेस एंड अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी। Nowadays the government of India has been decided that if they want to get married, one man and woman or girl and boy, they are really in need of 18 years for girls, and for men they are really in need of 21 years. But in the olden days it wasn't like that. In the olden days child marriages are present there at the age of 8, at the age of 10, at the age of 12. Just before minority only they are going to doing marriages. So one of the biggest reason behind our population explosion is child marriages. In early age, if they are going to get child marriages, immediately she is going to become pregnant. At the age of 12 or at the age of 13, 14, she is going to become pregnant. According to that one, rapid growth of the population can be takes place in one particular country or in one particular area. Right. This is one of the biggest reason behind our population explosion. Right. And the second one is like this: rapid increases of birth rate. Birth rate otherwise is called natality rate. हम birth rate बोल सकता है, नहीं तो natality rate भी बोल सकता है, दोनों सही मीनिंग देता है. Don't confuse regarding to natality rate and birth rate. Either birth rate or natality rate both are giving same meaning only. In the olden days there is no medicines for different types of the diseases. If you go back approximately 20 years, vaccination is not present there that much. Vaccination is not powerful. But looking at nowadays the advanced computing technology has come and advancement medical technology is also come. According to that one, whatever the disease, immediately we are going to preparing vaccination. Immediately we are going to making some of the antibiotics. According to that one, gradually the birth rate is increases and the natality rate is also gradually increases. And next one is rapid decline of death rate. Death rate क्या होता है? बहुत कम होता है. Death rate दूसरी वर्ड में बोल सकता है हम, उसका मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि mortality rate. Birth rate or natality rate, death rate or mortality rate, both of them is going to give the same meaning only. Right. Why the mortality rate or death rate is gradually declining? कम होता है. Declining का मतलब कम होता है. क्यों कम होता है ऐसे? I already made it very clear. The advanced medical technology. जो भी व्याधि आने दो हमको immediately डॉक्टर को अप्रोच होता है. डॉक्टर क्या करता है? हमको ट्रीटमेंट देता है. उसके बारे में अभी मरने वाला 5 साल नहीं तो 10 साल जीता है. This is also one of the biggest reason behind of population explosion. Right. And next one, rapid decline of MMR. The full form of MMR is maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate means what? Maternal mortality means what? First of all, the meaning for maternal mortality is when one woman has become pregnant, at that time she may die. That can be considered as a maternal mortality. Otherwise, somebody is going to do abortion. Right after abortion, immediately the woman may be died. That's also called as a maternal mortality. Maternal mortality का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि कभी-कभी एक महिला गर्भवती होने के बाद प्रेगनेंसी के ऊपर मरता है, उसको क्या बोल सकता है कि मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी बोलता है. नहीं तो प्रेगनेंसी आने के बाद वो प्रेगनेंसी नहीं चाहिए उसको, डॉक्टर के पास चलकर अबॉर्शन करता है. अबॉर्शन करने के समय पे वो मरता है. ऐसे वाला प्रक्रिया को क्या बोल सकता है कि मैटरनल. रैपिड डिक्लाइन ऑफ MMR. The full form of the MMR is maternal mortality rate. Behind of this one, advanced medical technology is present there. That's why the maternal mortality rate has come down. Decline means come down, come away. And next one is number 5, rapid decline of IMR. IMR means infant mortality rate. Infant का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि right after child birth, first day up to 12 months, this time period baby is called as infant baby. Infant baby का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि हिंदी पे शैशव दशा बोल सकता है. उसका एज ग्रुप क्या हो सकता है? जन्म होने के बाद पहले दिन से 12 महीने तक अप टू 1 year, the baby we are simply calling infant baby. पुराना दिन में infant baby बहुत सारे लोग मरता है क्योंकि उसका पीछे कारण क्या हो सकता है कि मेडिसिन अच्छा नहीं है, मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी भी अच्छा नहीं है, हॉस्पिटल्स भी इतना संख्या में नहीं है. लेकिन आज का दिन पे मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत बड़ा डेवलपमेंट हो गया. हम किधर भी एक गांव को चलो, उधर एक नहीं तो 2-3 हॉस्पिटल्स देख सकता है, 2-3 मेडिकल शॉप्स भी देख सकता है. So regarding to the advancement of the medical technology, the IMR is completely come down. According to that one, I made it very clear. Rapid decline of IMR. IMR means infant mortality rate. And lastly, here have a look. Nobody is following family planning programs. They are following, very less number of the people are following the family planning programs, but very less only. Most of the people, when they are going to participating in the sexual activity, they are not using contraceptive methods. They are not going to follow family planning rules and regulations. These are all the basic reasons why the population explosion is going on in our country. In the board examination point of view, these two questions are very, very important. Define the term population explosion. And they might have asked you, what are the reasons for population explosion? Once again, have a look here. Population explosion means the rapid increases of population in a particular given area in a short duration of time period is called population explosion. बाद में पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन का बारे में रीजंस क्या हो सकता है, कारण क्या हो सकता है? चाइल्ड मैरिजेस एंड अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी. जब छोटा है ना उस समय मैरिज करता है, जल्दी से जल्दी प्रेगनेंसी आता है, एक बहुत बड़ा कारण होता है. सेकंड वन, रैपिड इंक्रीजेस ऑफ बर्थ रेट और मोर्टेलिटी रेट. कम समय में ज्यादा बच्चों को जन्म देता है। नंबर 3, रैपिड डिक्लाइन ऑफ डेथ रेट और mortality rate. According to the advancement of medical technology, the death rate day to day, day by day has come down, is going to declining. मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत बड़ा डेवलपमेंट हो गया, इसका बारे में डेथ रेट बहुत कम हो गया। एंड नेक्स्ट वन, रैपिड डिक्लाइन ऑफ MMR, मैटरनल मोर्टालिटी रेट भी कम हो गया। नेक्स्ट वन, रैपिड डिक्लाइन ऑफ IMR, इन्फेंट मोर्टालिटी रेट भी कम हो गया। Nobody is following family planning, and while they are going to participating in the sexual activity, nobody is going to maintaining the contraceptive methods. These are all the basic reasons behind of the population explosion. Finally, I would like to give you one value, which one is given by the government of India regarding to population growth rate. And when we get independence, at that time our country population is approximately 350 millions. Under the census of population by government of India 2000 May 1st, our country population is reaching the mark approximately 1 billion. 1947 में हमको स्वतंत्र आ गया। उस समय हमारा कंट्री पॉपुलेशन देखता तो कितना है, जस्ट ओनली 300 मिलियंस। बाद में 2000 में फर्स्ट में और एक बार कैलकुलेशन करा, हर 10 साल को एक बार पॉपुलेशन को कैलकुलेशन करता है, राइट। 2000 में फर्स्ट में कैलकुलेशन करता तो कितना गया हमारा जनसंख्या संख्या 1 बिलियन मार्क रीच हो गया। दैट मींस व्हाट, इन अ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम पीरियड population explosion is going on here. When the population explosion is going on here, heavy competition is present there in all sectors. That leads to so many problems. That is the end of the class. I would like to continue my class tomorrow. Till then, we can go through by what is meant by population explosion and what are the reasons for population explosion. Thank you.